Tuesday market pulse, Nifty's rebound hopes amid inflation relief and global challenges. This Tuesday morning, GIFT Nifty is aiming for a major rebound. The slight improvement in sentiments is on backdrop of India's annual inflation rate easing to 5.22% in December of 2024. But our call of the day suggests the trading theme still revolves around 1. Federal Reserve's hawkish outlook for 2025. 2. FII's persistent selling is likely to trim any bullish expectations. This January month so far, they have sold to the tune of Rs. 26,250.30 crores. 3. WTI crude oil futures spiking towards $78 per barrel, the highest level in more than 4 months, as new US sanctions on Russia's energy sector raised concerns about supply disruptions. 4. The US dollar index topped 110 levels, the highest level since October 2022, driven by a stronger than expected December jobs report. 5. The Indian rupee hit a new record, closing low at 86.68, primarily pressured by a firm dollar. Weak rupee makes Indian stock markets less attractive to foreign investors and raises inflation fears. 6. The US 10-year has spiked higher to 4.79%, the highest in 14 months. 7. Concerns over inflationary policies under President-elect Donald Trump also added to the cautious outlook. Long story short, Nifty and its stocks are again likely to get clobbered as Dalal Street has nothing to offer but blood, toil, tears and sweat. Market trends. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's negative session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 4893 crores while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 8066 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky in today's trade. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are still indicating a massive breakdown on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 15.99 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 1.07 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th January, is at 0.54. Nifty outlook, Nifty bears are likely to regroup on any intraday strength. Caution will continue to be the buzzword. Nifty, CMP to 3432. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 23,263 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,727 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,100 and 23550. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 48734. Bank Nifty's biggest support now seen at 47,900 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 49,500 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 47,900 and 49100. Bias for the day is negative. Buzzing stocks. 1. DMart bleeds, Avenue Supermarts, DMart, shares tanked as much as 5.74% in yesterday's trade to a low of 3,469 rupees per share after the company's December quarter, Q3 FY25, results missed street expectations. The 52-week low of DMart share is 3,400 rupees. 2. Biocon, plus 0.94%, shares were in limelight after USDA clears Malaysia unit. 3. HCL Tech reported a net profit for the third quarter, October-December, of FY25 at 4,591 crore rupees. Profits rose 5.5% year-on-year, YoY, and increased 8.4% sequentially. Revenue for the quarter stood at 29,890 crore rupees, up 5% YoY and growing 3.5% sequentially. HCL Technologies has raised the lower end of its FY25 revenue growth guidance to the range of 4.5% to 5%. Now, this week, the Q3 corporate India's earnings season will take center stage. Tuesday, 14th January, HDFC AMC, Network 18, Stoppers Stop. The negative takeaway from yesterday's trade was that Nifty ended way below its November 2024 low. Meanwhile, the three big catalysts. 1. Investors remain on high alert ahead of US PPI and CPI inflation reports on Tuesday, 14th January and Wednesday, 15th January. 2. The Federal Open Market Committee's next policy meeting on January 28 to 29th. 3. Delhi Assembly election voting on 5th February, results on 8th February. Long story short, tumultuous times ahead.